In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TunnelBear VPN. Now, I'm assuming if you're trying to connect, you already have TunnelBear installed on your computer, but if you don't, you can just get it from their official website, create your account, and you'll be good to go. Now, whenever you actually install it, over here, this is going to look like this. It's very simple. It's just a window with a bunch of different countries you can actually connect to, and to connect TunnelBear VPN, all you have to do is actually select a country. So, for example, here, I'm going to go into Italy. You can just click on it and it's going to automatically connect. It's going to dig a tunnel here, as you can see, and it's gonna pop out over here, and this means you are connected. So as you can see right now, there we go, it says connection secured. Here it says how much, basically how much data you have remaining, and if you need more, you could upgrade, and up here it says connection secured, okay? Of course, you could always click on the country, and you could switch from here as well, and it's going to switch the country, or you could turn this off or on, and therefore basically connect or disconnect. So that's how to achieve it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.